Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So last Friday I went to our Apple flagship store and picked up these two lovely cases right here. This is for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I'm not really sure, I haven't really checked my phone yet. Probably next week Friday I will be picking up the actual iPhone. So this is just the case. So I have here, see, I think this is the color for this is actually the Terra Cotta, and then this is just the clear case. So I am going to reveal this too and see how this looks like. And also I am actually curious if this would fit on my previous phone. I have here my iPhone Pro Max, and I just wanted to see if this would fit perfectly on my Pro Max right here. I believe this is the 13, so definitely I am due for an upgrade. So anyway, let me start with this Terra Cotta one. All right, okay. So let me see. And then this one is actually priced as $49 US. So this is how it looks. It is a silicone case right here. So this is how it looks. This one feels like the regular one, the usual microfiber ones that they have. So right here, as you guys can see, this one has a different cutout. That's because, I mean, I don't know, this is just like their latest innovation for the outer look of the 17 Pro Max. So let's see, let's find out if this will fit. So let's take a look. So just at least yeah, it does actually fit perfectly. It fits like it's a little, it's not really snug at all, but it fits. So this is how it looks right here at the back. So as we guys all know that the design, the outer design, they just alter it a little bit. So the placement for the camera, so the main camera is still there. The wide lens and the telephoto lenses for the camera are still the same placement with this little plateau right here. And then for the 17, they actually extended it. And then the only difference is that the flash was moved right here in the corner as well as on the other side as well. But looking at it right now, I kind of like it. It's because of it right here, it is actually more likely it is raised, so it does really helps protect the camera lenses right there, as you guys could see. So the bevel edges were definitely raised. Let's take a look at the buttons. Let's see if they are functional. So we have the volume right here, the top and the bottom. It seems that it is really soft to touch. Here I don't see any, yeah, it is very, very soft. And then this part right here, which I've actually I rarely use this. This is actually the silent button. It is, you cannot really access this part right here. So I rarely use this, and I could barely notice that this button right here exists. So far the button is very functional. It is very soft. And then let's take a look at in this corner right here. The cutouts are precise right here. Yeah, pretty much it's, I don't see any significant difference at all right here for the cutouts. This one is so precise actually. And then let's take a look at this side over here. Yeah, it is. It is actually, it is precise. So can you hear that? Yeah, it's actually perfect. It fits perfectly. So the only thing is that the only issue with this case is that it's loose. See, it is loose. So if this one is actually, if this one is snug a little bit, it will be perfect. But as you guys could see, I could easily take this one off like that. I kind of like it though, but this is not really intended for this. So yeah, out of curiosity, I was able to find out that it does fit, but not really quite. So I wish this could be a little bit tighter, and I think it will be perfect. Moving on, let's take a look at the clear case. So this is the packaging. So let me just show you right here. So this is how it looks. It is clear. So let me show you how this fits. So this is the phone right here. It fits fine right here. So yeah, it is a little bit loose, as you guys could see. Yeah, so like that. I'll show you like that. So it is just slightly a little bit loose. For the clear case, this is how it looks. As you guys could see, the cutouts right there. There is a significant difference on the silicone ones right here. So this is the difference between the two. So this one is actually wide open, and this one is actually the cutouts right here are so precise. And then the side, yeah, the buttons right here, the silent mode button is not accessible, so you cannot really access that. And then this is the volume button, is actually it works. And then pretty much right here on this side, they are functional, but the only difference is that, yeah, like I said, there is a significant difference right here at the bottom for an easy access. I prefer this over this one right here at the bottom. As you guys could see, this one is a little loose. That, see, it's a little loose. So if this one is a little bit, yeah, the fit, it's just really intended for the 17 Pro Max. It's just a little teeny tiny a bit, and yeah, I think it will be perfect if it is just a little tiny bit tight in the side corner. Anyway, these are the two cases that I've got for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and definitely I will be coming back. I will be making a video on Friday as soon as I get the phone to see how the phone fits in to the case. Alright, so anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.